But to what shall I liken this generation? It's like children sitting in the marketplaces and calling to their companion and saying, We played the flute for you, and you did not dance. We mourned to you, and you did not lament. For John came neither eating nor drinking, and they say, He has a demon. The Son of Man came eating and drinking, and they say, Look, a glutton and a wine babbler, a friend of tax collectors and sinners, but wisdom is justified by her children. The Gospel of the Lord. Please be seated. Once again, our text for today is a continuation of yesterday, that John the Baptist was a forerunner of God to the people of Israel. And the Lord has commented in the reaction. And some said that there are people who are really embracing it tightly, as the Bible take it by force, and they embrace it tightly, holding it tightly. But others don't. And that's why Jesus said to the people, What shall I liken this generation? And he likened them like children. And it's not only talking about the people in the time, but also the people of today that have heard a lot of Word of God. They have heard already a lot of teaching about coming, everything about God, but they don't mind it. Why? Because their mind are like children. Their attitudes like children, that he said that like children marketplace, we played the flute for you, you did not dance. We mourned to you, you did not lament. It's like that children are playing, but they complain to other children that they are not participating. They are not singing with them. They are not dancing with them. And the thing is that sometimes the people, first of all, they want things, or like what they want things, or God, they want God to do their own way. They want these things to happen. And if their things or what they want will not happen, they will not already participate. They're not believing Jesus. They're not believing Jesus because Jesus doesn't want to do what they want to do. Same also with us. People with immature mind that they don't want this way, or how the Lord will do the things. They already, it's easy for them to back out. They want God to do their own thing. If I have to borrow once again the bishop's words, that we want to put God in the box. We want God to do how we want it to do. But that's not the way. He is God. They criticize. They criticize John. They criticize Jesus because John and Jesus do it the way they should do, and they don't like it the way. Same also with us. Interpreted in a very simple, sometimes people will no longer cooperate because things will not happen their own way. They are the people, they are selfish. They think on themselves. And even prideful because they don't want to obey God. They want God to do how they want it to do it. But He is God. He is God. They criticize John that John do not eat and drink, but he has a demon. Then Jesus is drinking and eating with them. It's a common way of how Jesus would reach out his people, have to eat and drink with them, have to be with them. Sometimes there's a Bible that mostly of the evangelical would use, do not equally yoke to unbeliever. It means you do not go with them. But how you could win them if you are not with them? The Bible also does only warn that be careful that instead that you could convince them, you're the one to be convinced in the way they're doing. But one way to convince people is to be with them. Relationship with them. You cannot convince people to believe in you except when there is miracle. People will really believe because there's miracle. But of simple conversation, no. Like mission. We go to mission, yes, but you have to prove it that God is really working in our lives. That's why I said, wisdom is justified by their deeds. Or he said, the Lord said, wisdom is justified by her children. We are to justify that the Word of God is true by our deeds. Wisdom. So what we are talking, what we are sharing to the people is we really believe it and we have experienced it. It is justified by our deeds because we believe in it. We believe in what we are sharing to them. Because people will not believe mostly today except for there's miracle, but unless they see it in our lives. So once again, also as the lesson here, we cannot convince every people. We cannot be, you cannot please everyone. But we have to continue to do what we have to do according to God's way. Sometimes we will be criticized by other people. Sometimes people will not believe in us, will not cooperate with us. But we have to continue. As last day that the kingdom suffers violence, to say it continue to go on in spite of opposition. And also with us. Continue to do what you have to do, what you know with the Word of God, because that's the only way to justify that the Word of God is true through our lives.